Do you or your partner snore? You need to watch this. Snoring is the second most common cause of divorce in the UK, so this is where snore removal comes in. So this is the product here. As you can see, it's like a little gum shield that you wear when you're sleeping. It's easy to use and it works immediately. So the science behind this is actually adjustable, and what it does, it pushes your lower jaw a millimeter forward, so it increases the airflow. As there's a gap here as well, that also increases the airflow. And as a result, that opens up your airways, so that helps you stop snoring. So why don't you get one today for yourself or your partner? Help stop that snoring and get that good night's sleep that you need.